Now, the External Affairs Minister has claimed that there is a political effort to depict the current government in a certain way. During a conversation with the former U.S. National Security Advisor General H.R. McMaster, he said that there is a concerted effort to change the perception of the Indian government, and also that there is a difference between the political imagery that has been concocted and the actual governance record out there.
We are going through a very stressful time right now because of the pandemic. Okay, we are actually giving free food last year for multiple months. Right now, again, because of second wave, we resumed to as much as 800 million people. Okay, we put money into the bank accounts of 400 million people. Okay, this is what this government did. Now, if you are feeding more than 2.5 times the population of the United States, and you are funding more than the population of the United States, and you are doing this, pretty much anonymously and impersonally, in the sense beyond the name and the detail, the bank account of the person. You're not asking anything more. There's no criteria of discrimination. So I think when you come down to real governance judgments, you find that there is a difference between the political imagery that has been concocted and actually the governance record out there. So I think you should take it for what it is. Which is really politics at play. You can agree with it, you can disagree with it. But I would certainly see that very much as part of a political effort to depict our current government in a certain way. And obviously, I have a very profound difference with that.
Well, Shivani Sharma now joins me live for more on this. Shivani, the External Affairs Minister over there calling out efforts, what he said were a type of political imagery that has been concocted by, essentially opposition parties. Give us more details of, his particular comment and in what context was it made?
Nupur, we know that the External Affairs Minister, Dr. S. Jaishankar, is on a visit to United States. He started this visit on 25th and will be on till 28th. And we know that he's been interacting with different important people in the United States. And this particular conversation with the former United States National Security Advisor, H.R. Mac, he has said that in India, there's a lot of politics going around the pandemic. We know that since last year when the pandemic hit the Indian civilization, the government has been making a lot of efforts, be it in terms of feeding the poor people, be it in the terms of distributing ration to the migrants and creating opportunities in different ways, or the vaccination drives. But we've seen in India how the politics has been hovering around all these efforts, and that's what he has made it once again clear in this conversation with the former National Security Advisor of the United States, where he has said that a lot of concocted imagery of the government is being depicted. And this is all politics which should not happen. We've realized that it's quite unfortunate in India how the efforts of the government are being taken into another direction due to the political reasons by different parties or people. And that's what he has said here while conversing. And he has said that the government is doing a lot of things to help people in the time of pandemic, be it in helping them in terms of their medical treatments or creating more opportunities for poor people, or the special packages that have been designed by the government. But still, a lot of politics is happening. But India is going ahead with its efforts to fight the pandemic, help the people.
Absolutely, Shivani. As you're pointing out, the External Affairs Minister over there slamming the opposition for the moment. Shivani Sharma, thank you for joining us. Now,